Hey there, little tech wizards. Have you ever played games like Subway Surfers or watched videos on YouTube using your phone? Well, those cool little things on your phone are called mobile apps, and someone had to make them. Let's explore how these apps are made in the world of mobile app development. What is mobile app development? Mobile app development is the process of creating apps that work on mobile phones and tablets. These apps can be games, music players, study tools, or even food delivery apps. A famous quote goes, "The best way to predict the future is to invent it." Alan Kay, computer scientist. And guess what? App developers invent the future by creating these awesome mobile apps. Two types of mobile platforms. There are mainly two types of phones people use. Android. These are phones like Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, etc. Android is made by Google. iOS. These are Apple phones like iPhone and iPad. iOS is made by Apple. Apps need to be built differently for Android and iOS because they work on different systems, like how PlayStation and Xbox play different games. How are mobile apps made? To make an app, you write something called code. It's like the secret recipe that tells your app what to do. For Android apps, developers usually use Java or Kotlin programming languages. For iOS apps, developers use Swift or Objective-C. But writing separate code for Android and iOS takes double the work. That's where something super cool comes in, called Flutter. What is Flutter? Flutter is a tool made by Google that lets you write one set of code that works for both Android and iOS. So instead of making the same app twice, Flutter lets you do it once and it works everywhere. Neat, right? Flutter uses a language called Dart. Don't worry, it's not the dart you throw at balloons. It's a programming language that helps you build fast and beautiful apps. Fun example. Let's say you want to build a game app where a cat jumps over obstacles. You draw how the game will look. You use Flutter to write the code. The game works on both your Samsung and your iPhone. Now your friends can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And just like that, you become a mini app inventor. Tools app developers use. Here are some common tools. Android Studio to build Android apps. Xcode to build iOS apps. Flutter to build both at once. Firebase to store data like scores or messages. These tools are like the paint, brushes, and canvas for creating a masterpiece. Why is mobile app development important? Most people use phones more than computers. Businesses use apps to sell products and connect with customers. Students use learning apps. Kids, like you, play and learn through apps. That's why being a mobile app developer is like being a digital superhero. Real-life inspiration. Did you know that the creator of Flappy Bird, a simple game app, made thousands of dollars every day? All from just one app. Or that apps like TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp started small but changed the whole world? Mobile app development is like building tiny, magical worlds inside your phone. Whether you build a fun game, a music app, or an app that helps kids with homework, you're creating something useful and fun for the world. And remember, you don't need to be a genius to start. You just need curiosity, creativity, and a bit of code. So dream big, code smart, and maybe one day, your app will be the one everyone is talking about. Let's build the future one app at a time.